guys, my name is Sudeshna and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I don't have any makeup on. Believe it or not, I don't have any foundation on. Of course, I have my eyeliner, lipstick and all that. Just a lot of skincare, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. Because I vlogged in my previous video, so most of the video I wasn't wearing any makeup, and a lot of you guys noticed how nice my skin has been looking lately. So thank you so much, and that just means that the products that I've been using has been working well, because if you guys have been noticing something without me actually saying anything, I think that's pretty amazing. So today I'm going to talk about the new vitamin C range by Lakme. So this Lakme range comes with a day cream, a nice vitamin C serum, and of course a night cream. So I'm going to take you guys through all of these products that I've been using. I would say now it's been a little over 3 weeks, and I really wanted to share my experience with you guys. So in the second half of this video, you'll be able to see how this product has been working for me for the first 2 weeks. So I'm going to start off with the daytime products, which is the day cream and the vitamin C serum. So this is the Lakme 9 to 5 vitamin C plus day cream. So this retails for 349 rupees. Day cream is enriched with shea butter and vitamin E. These two ingredients are really good for hydrating your skin and for giving you that glow. So during the daytime, obviously you don't want your skin to look very oily or greasy. You just want it to look very light, moisturized and hydrated, and that's exactly what shea butter and vitamin E does. It's just very lightweight. That's what I really like about it. It's almost like water-like, and it just absorbs into your skin really nice and fast. I've been using it for 3+ weeks, and so far it's been doing a wonderful job, and I really enjoy the smell of these products. They all have like a very light, mild, citrusy sort of scent. So before I use this, I use this product right here. So this is the Lakme 9 to 5 vitamin C plus facial serum. Now I personally am a huge fan of vitamin C. I truly do believe that vitamin C is a great product for giving you that youthful glow. I prefer to use it during my daytime routine, and I absolutely love it. So serum obviously will have a more concentrated vitamin C, and I really love the texture of this serum as well. It does have a slightly thick texture, but it's not greasy at all in any way. It absorbs into my skin really quick and fast. So the main ingredient in this serum is Kakadu plum, and Kakadu plum has 100 times more vitamin C compared to oranges, and that's the main ingredient in this serum, and you will truly feel that once you use this serum. And this serum has a lot of antioxidants that energizes your dull skin, giving you that healthy glow. The serum retails for 549 rupees. And now we're going to move on to the nighttime routine. Now the nighttime routine as well is very simple. You just have one product, which is the Lakme 9 to 5 vitamin C night cream. So after I wash my face, I will use the night cream, and that's about it. I like to keep my skincare routine very simple, so it's not complicated. So the main ingredients in this night cream is muru butter and glycerine. These two ingredients are again perfect for hydration and really moisturizes your skin. So one thing I've noticed in this night cream compared to the day cream, compared to this day cream right here, is that the night cream is slightly thicker than the day cream. Obviously it's an overnight treatment, so you need something that is going to be on your skin, helping your skin for the next 7 to 8 hours of your sleep cycle. And honestly, I just wake up the morning and my skin still feels very soft. So another thing I've noticed is that my skin texture as well has improved. Looks much more even in terms of texture and tone. The night cream retails for 399 rupees. And yeah, that was my little review of these products. By the way guys, I also have a little code for you guys to get 10% off on the vitamin C range. I will add the code right here on the screen so that you guys can use it. I will also add the code in the description box below. Now we're going to see how the product has been working for me for the first 2 weeks since I've started using it. Let's move on to that. So this is day 1. I still haven't opened any of these products, so they're sealed. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly go ahead and open it. Okay, so all the packaging is off. First of all, can I just say, I think the packaging is really cute. It's this really nice orange color. As you guys already are aware of my history, I used to have a lot of acne, but now thankfully the acne is under control. So this is what my skin looks like without any makeup. There is like very slight amount of scars left, but they're just very light, and as of now I'm not really concerned about them. So now my main focus is getting my skin looking nice and glowy. I just took a shower, so we're gonna apply the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C Day Cream. But before that, we are going to be applying this serum. This is the first time I'm actually seeing it, and this is what it looks like. It has a very like milky color to it, I would say, and it looks kind of thick. So I'm just going to like gently pat it on my palms and then just pat. Oh my god, it smells so nice. And you're applying serums, just very gently tap it into your skin. Now I'm going to follow it up with the day cream. Ooh, it's pink in color. I was not expecting that. So I'm just going to take a really small amount. So yeah, we're just going to pat it into our skin really nicely. Also, guys, don't forget your neck. I'm gonna see you guys at night and we're gonna do the night cream. Okay guys, we're back again. So this is night time, and as usual I've already washed my face. So we're gonna apply the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C Night Cream. So this night cream is already like in a very different color than the day cream. So first impressions, day cream was much more lighter in consistency. Just gently dab. Go on your forehead. Very important. I think I'm gonna check in after 7 days just to show you guys like a 1 week progress. Hey guys, so we're at day 7, and like I promised you guys, I'm gonna do a check-in after 7 days. So I've just come out of the shower, and obviously I've already washed my face, so I was going to do my daytime routine. So obviously it's just been a week, so I'm not expecting like huge massive results, but I have been noticing a couple of different things. I definitely feel like my skin looks a lot more glowy. Can you see my forehead, my cheeks? Like when the light falls on it, it definitely looks nice and glowy. Sometimes I just like to apply it directly on my skin like this. So we're just going to tap. So I'm going to use the day moisturizer and then apply it all over my face. So obviously tonight I'm going to apply the night cream as well. I think after this I'm going to see you guys on the 14th day, which will be my 2-week update. So it's been 2 weeks and I'm really excited to show you guys the progress my skin has made after 2 weeks. So I just washed my face. I think it's like 11 p.m. right now. So I think I'm going to start doing my nighttime skincare routine. So before I applied the cream, I just wanted to show you guys how my face looks right after washing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my skin definitely has become much more glowy and I'm really excited. I feel like I don't even have to put that much makeup anymore because my skin just naturally looks very healthy. The night cream, and that's it guys. This was my 2-week update, and after this I'm just going to continue using this product, you know, and let's see how my skin looks say after a week or after a month. And back to my outro. So guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for the compliments on my skin. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys liked it, and don't forget to leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!